Honorable well-wishers, to my students, scholars, and this presentation I am preparing on the request of my eminent alumni. So this presentation main title is the research regarding to the creative thinking abilities, and also here I am giving examples regarding to the challenges in the research. Okay, so that's what I am telling. I want to give in an interesting manner. The session is one by one point in an interesting manner. So for the most important point is very important is the character is most important than a knowledge. That is most important thing. Okay, so and the other one important one is maintaining harmony is very important, one and other. The true devotion is implies our formation of our behavior. These points are very important actually. Actually, I am working with the topmost industrial experts and scientists, and also I am regularly spending most of the time by referring the innovative and the creative books pointing to the research. So with that knowledge, I am sharing a beautiful points for all of your success. Our success implies our behavior and character. No doubt on that. No doubt on that. So at least most important. The most important thing is we should have to refresh our mind. That is most important. What is the brain? That means our mind is nothing but our so many cells are connected in our brain. Okay, so these are generally our inner organisms, or even maybe the brain cells, or heart function, or brain function, maybe the kidney, liver, and so many, and I'm pointing almost all the inner organisms. Most of you are not understanding that the all inner organisms functions are related to the brain. The brain cells are most important. If you maintain the brain cells in a clear manner, then definitely you can enhance the creative thinking and abilities. The brain cells. So what are the techniques we should have to use? So for the improvement of the brain cells, that is most important. So what is the main technique to improve that? Okay, so for that I am giving one important rule that I prepared some sort of rules here, only 5 rules. Okay, so that's most important one is respect your body. When it's asking for a break, respect your mind. When it is asking for a rest, honor yourself when you need a moment yourself. This is most important. Please understand this first point. These are the most important principles. These principles are given by the great people also. They have supported these great people. They are most of the people. Actually, the most important one is I am interact with the topmost the people. Actually, maybe you can call the topmost business people, or the scientists, or industrial people. Their success implies taking a right decision in the right time. Mostly I am interacting with the technical only, so my focus is always on the technical. I am spending with interest lot of more time on the technical only. You understand this point. You honor about yourself. So these are the exercises to because brain is nothing but cells is nothing but neurons. So many of our inner organisms are also connected to the brain. That means you should have to do you should follow some sort of principles. I am giving just 5 principles. The first principle is over. These principles definitely implies you can change something. You can refresh your brain. Definitely you can refresh your brain. So actually so many exercises and so many techniques are there to refresh the brain. I am telling the 5 principles. These are the principles some principles are supported and designed by the great people. I am giving for your benefit, of course. The strong minds discuss about only ideas. The average minds discuss events, and weak mind discuss about other people. That's most important point. The second principle I am telling. Okay, the strong mind is always focused on the ideas. What are the new ideas? Suppose you are studying one page of any sort of textbook, you should concentrate on the what is the ideas are there list out on the notebook. What are the ideas are there? Like when you refer one journal, you should try trace out only the ideas. You can write so some other page in an empty page. You write in your own way, your own style. That is, you can follow that particular textbook or journal as a reference. Okay, that is the most important. The next one is most important is never leave a true relation. For few faults, nobody is perfect, nobody is correct. At the end, affection is always greater than perfection. This is most important point. This is most important point. The third point is okay. The most important point. The fourth principle, very important principle, is let new beginning signify new chapter filled with pages of success and happiness. Okay, and these are all reflected to the link of intelligence and hard work. That means your new beginning is implies your intelligence and your hard work. Your new beginning implies your new intelligence and hard work. These two, please keep to these words very important way. Okay, the last principle I am telling that. So I already told we are all unique. So the God is unique, and also we should maintain a harmony. I already highlighted at the starting of my session. So your prayers should reach that universal prayers. Universal prayer. Okay, so maintenance of harmony is a big word. Okay, try to maintain practically at least some percentage of harmony, and also your prayers should be that grant me the heart of Buddha, the body of Muhammad, forgiveness of Jesus, the non-violence of Mahatma Gandhi. This is most important point. Practically you follow at least some things on this. Okay, and also that most important one is when mind is weak, a situation becomes a problem. The most important one is you please clearly follow in the knowledgeable manner these words. When mind is balanced, the situation becomes a challenge. When mind is strong, that situation is an opportunity. It's all the situation is an opportunity. You understand from these points. Once again, I am repeating these points that when mind is weak, a situation becomes a problem. When mind is balanced, the situation becomes a challenge. When mind is strong, the situation becomes an opportunity. That means you understand all those things. It's all mind game. Everything is lies in our hands. Okay, how we are thinking, how we are doing a particular thing. Okay, what is our thinking abilities. Okay, how we are maintaining our mind as a peace. Okay, and also how we our behavior. That's what I pointed at the beginning of the session. So these principles you should find very interesting to create interest. So I already told in the beginning that to create interest only I am telling these points. So with the request of my topmost alumni actually. So please try to follow at least few percentage. Okay, my request for you, I already mentioned for your benefit. Okay, so now I will mention because my aim is to give the important points in a short span of time, in an interesting manner, in a simple manner. That is my aim actually. Okay, I will tell 4 important questions. You try to think logically. The first important thing is you should think about what is the aim of our existence. Okay, answers means interestingly I will present in the next session. The next one is what is the objective of existence of this universe. You think about that second question also. The third question is what is some people and great people or scientists or so many spiritual people also agreed that the time of an early hours of 3 a.m. is very important and it's a good time. They will tell that 3 a.m. is good for the and perfection of the mind and for exercises and etc. They will tell for so many things, and also at 11 a.m. also, at India at 6 p.m. also. Okay, so those times they are highlighted actually. What is the reason for that? Try to think logically. Try to think logically on that. Okay, then the third one is the third one I already mentioned that, and fourth one is final. My question is, please think for these 4 questions. I will present in the next session. So the fourth most important, very important point is you should take one existing technology. Try to study at least 2 lines for that. What's happening on the technology? Take a Wi-Fi network. For example, I am telling. Take in our electricity. What methods they are using? So you can please think in the logical manner, of course. So the logical thinking plays an important role. Here now I am telling you the most important challenges in the world where I want to mention finally the 2 research areas, technical research areas, and you can call these are called challenges in the research. The challenges in the research is pointing to, first I want to point on the agriculture. You know very well the quality of the food production is very important in the worldwide because of the based on the requirement, the quality of the requirement based on the people, of course the quality of the food production is very important. So for that you should use a technology on the agriculture. That is my objective. My objective is to implement some sort of technology. So that like that soil moisture sensor. I studied soil moisture sensor. Okay, that soil moisture sensor is clearly measures the water levels in the land. Okay, it is very useful for farmers. The next second important point is passive infrared session. It is infrared sensor. Okay, the passive infrared sensor. This passive infrared sensor, it is a motion detector. It is called, what it senses is movement of people, animals, and other objects. Okay, so then this sensor can also very much useful in the agriculture point of view. And also that the crop water management as well as food production safety, and very important using some security in charge of food production also. Very innovative methods. One of the method I am mentioning, that is Internet of Things in the case of agriculture. Okay. So I mentioned the hardware related sensors also for you. Okay, so please try to think on this also. And my final point is based on the healthcare, in the medical technology. What are we require? So many research challenges are there. So many research challenges are there today in the medical technology. The first most important challenge is the development of vaccine for the severe infections. The development of vaccines. It is a challenge in entire world. The second challenge is the microorganisms. Okay, study of the microorganisms, especially that group A Streptococcus bacteria. Okay, how it is affecting on the microorganisms, how to treat that. Okay, so and that is also a challenge, research challenge, one of the major challenge. I am telling you the major things. Okay, and also that and another important most challenge is the third challenge I am telling, that how to treat the flow of that infection, how the body will respond to that particular infection. Okay, from person to person, of course. So if you name the particular person as A, how that person A is responded for that infection. The same sort of infection, how the person B is responded. I think you understand logically. That is a challenge in entire the world. Okay, as a well-wisher, I am. My conclusion is okay. So you please think on the real-time problems, industrial-oriented problems, on the multidisciplinary areas. I am working as a challenge. Okay, so under guidance of the experts. Okay, that's my request to all of you. Okay, best wishes to all of you. Okay, and have a good luck. Okay, thank you.